All right, I hope you had a really nice break.
That's it, sweet.
We will set another 20 minutes, and I have already replaced assets that you can see now. These cards, they look really good. Look at them. No issues at all. Like those white lines, they gone, perfect. Shadow, all good now here. We added this find out more button. We still need to add these elements here as we have on design. Span securely, yeah, some stuff here. Good, and we also want to do something with those arrows. And I have an idea for this. Like, for sure we can do something like following mouse cursor arrow that is flying, but it always, taking performance because you're calculating every pixel when it's moving. So we do something more simple, but still cool. Okay. And then we just move to other section and see what we can build in 20 minutes. We will definitely finish this part. We don't need to worry about these logos at all. For now, I just want really to add Finsweet logo here, and we will move to another section, this one, so cards. Here we add this as a grid, so we can really animate this and make nice intro, and we move forward. So hopefully here we don't spend a lot of time. We'll just do this section and then we can do some nice interactions here on scroll into view. We already have interactions here, so we just make some parallax for these cards on left and right. Good, 20 minutes and 5 seconds to focus. Whew. I should work this way actually. 20 minutes is really cool because you can focus in 20 minutes and then boom, you can have nice break, drink coffee or some push-ups, workout, whatever you prefer more. Let's call this header slider arrow. Boom, and we have color black. No, not exactly what I want to do. I need this black. Okay, now we have this icon as black, and I just need this arrow, and we call it icon. Good. And same here. We call this icon. We call this icon. Good. And we call this header slider arrow. Sweet. So what was my plan for this? We have header slider mask. It has position relative, right? Let's try what would happen if I do it static. All good. We save. Sweet. Oh, actually it doesn't matter, right? Because what we need is be sure that position relative is here, because the next thing that I want to do is set position absolute here, and I want to move this to the right. So, and I want to be sure that this is just to the right of this side, right? So we can even do this with transform and moving just 100% to the right. Now it's perfect. And now what I want to do is this is left and this is right. Good. And right here, what wanna do is set it to 0. And here set it to 0. So this is 0, but it has these huge margins, which we don't actually need them. So like 0, 0, they Webflow adding them automatically here. So this is position absolute, and that should go right here, but it doesn't go right here, right? Guess we need to add. No. Okay, something else is preventing us from doing it. Okay. Whoa, okay. Oh, good. We good now. So we have these two arrows here, left and right. Everything is good. And you know what? We can move even those cars just a bit higher. And to make this, remember, we had this padding. So we move it just a bit higher. And now here we just, because this is in the middle, we will just add a bit of padding on top. No, it's not gonna work because this has those magic margins here, right? And for sure we don't want to mess up with this thing, but we can, why not? Okay, what I want to do is here is add something like 1 rem, so we change. Ooh, interesting. 1 rem, yeah. That should depend. Good, so to change size of this arrow, we need to change it right here. 2 rem is more than enough for me. And I just want to move this arrow a bit down, right? So what is this like? No, I don't want to do this. It's kind of like, you know what? Let's do it this way. We set it to 0. We set it to 0. Okay, now we have this. It's position horizontal. Okay, and this is position absolute. Position absolute, auto. So that should go in the middle, right? Because this should go, but of course Webflow has some stuff added to it. So you know what? Let's make it with the arrow. So we copy our arrow here, we place it here, and we super save here, right? So we remove this stuff. We add another arrow, and we just add div arrow left. And with this arrow left, what I want to do is set no transitions, rotate and 180. Good, so good, sweet. And we just remove this. Good, so this arrow is good, this arrow. I'm wondering why it's still preventing me to do what I want. All right, yeah, I know, because I have applied this to combo, header, combo, not to combo now. And here we go. Boom, aligned. Sweet, now we can control this with padding. Boom. Awesome. So my idea is simply this. I don't know, still kind of like overlapping, you know, the text. I don't really like it. So maybe we move these arrows up or we come up with something else, but for now, let's stick with this idea. And then however, we can also do something with these arrows. Even if I do just like, you know, I really like using CSS animation. So we can add, you know, just movement of those arrows, and to move it to the left on hover, you move it to the left. So like, you know, hover, add something like 1 rem here. Good. None. Here. On hover, padding 1 rem. That's it. None. So now the only thing we need to do is to go to header slider arrow and add some transition, which is margin. No, we had padding left 200 and, you know, something like this. Okay. So we just copy this and we add here. Whoop, whoop. Cool, yeah? But we need to add it for padding left and padding right for both. So we do one more padding left, we add one more, and padding right, and we paste. So we have the same. Yep, I think it's cool. And we didn't use Webflow interactions. We just use CSS interaction for it. Yep. Okay, good. I think we're good here. So let's move to another section. Ooh, Relium and Webflow. Relium and Webflow. This is cool. This is cool. It's definitely really good. Wondering why we don't have Webflow Finsweet logo here. Yeah, we're gonna have here. I will add. Now, finally we move to another section. And let's just copy this text and place it so we don't miss it. Good. Welcome to banking revolving around you. Good. And this is H2, which we want to actually change. We're changing while we go. So you can do this. You can do all the changes if you go to style guide, but I'm changing while I go through the build. We don't need this. And actually, you know what? We just forgot about those plus. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, let's jump step back and we add them here. So we have this and we just add div header hero left right hero right. Good. So now we just need list component, and we don't use bullets here, and I want to add okay, because it's overlapping everything, I cannot click. So what we're gonna do here is header here right. Let's just add for now position relative. That should bring us And now it's like overlapping, but we don't need to worry about it a lot for now. Okay, so I want to add something like header hero list item. Good position, relevant horizontal gap 0.5 RAM. We add icon, no, we add image, and this image is going to be icon. Icon 1-on-1. I think medium is too large. Icon small. Okay, and we choose image, and we have this plus. Good, and now we just need some text here, text block. Perfect. So now we have span securely. So you know what we do? Icon 1-on-1, like flex maybe. So what I want to do is that we set EM, and whenever we change size on the list or on this class, this will change size of the image as well. Okay, and here we need just proper alignment, and I can remove this too, and we add it here and here. Good. So pay any way you want. We just copy this text, and another one, which is get insights. Right, so now we have all the text in place. We have to be sure that we have spacing correct, right? So it's like 0.25 RAM. Let's put it 0.5. One. We don't need to guess, but whatever. I think it's good enough. Or even like 0.75 is good. Sweet. Now we just need to push this a bit down. Header here right, so we just put this like something like 20. No, I don't like this 20%, to be honest. But it works. So good. I'm just wondering what happens when we scale down. You see, it doesn't work really well. It doesn't work really well because it's just moving, and this is not what we want actually. Okay, let's set some just normal value. Something like 10 RAM. Okay. Yeah. And you see, when we scale down, this text is not really good. We're gonna do something about it. No worries. For now, it's fine. We do something with this. And you see, like, this is icon 1-on-1 flex text. Good. I think we should align on top, because if this goes to 2 rows. Oh yeah, now we have unique class. So icon 1-on-1 plus, and we set it to header. Header icon plus, this way. Why I did this? Because now I want to push something like this. Maybe just a bit more. What do we do? 0.2. Yeah. It's good. Yeah. Header icon plus, and we remove it. And boom. Okay, looking good so far. And actually 1 EM, it's just a bit too much. 85 EM. Now it looks more like a font. 85 EM. Good. So with this we can just like push it a bit down. Right. I like it. I like this. And header here, right, we can just, because we have already this class, we just add 1 rem, so because it has like more distance, maybe 2. Yeah, nice. And you know what, remember we set this h1 to be bigger. I think it makes sense now to 0.3.5. Good. And we make it scalable. We make all the fonts scalable, and let's do it right now. So what we want to do is, where is my Finsweet? Where is my Finsweet? Okay, let's refresh it. That should bring my Finsweet extension back. Whoa, we have 1 minute left. So 1 minute is enough for make actually fluid responsiveness here. So we just boom, 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 copy to clipboard, close, and we go. Where's my global styles? Edit component and open code editor. Good. We're good to go. We just add this line here, but we have to remove style. Tag and boom. Nice. Now it's scaling a bit better right now. See, the fonts are scaling because we have everything in ramps. All the text sizes in ramps. That's why it's scaling. 20 minutes of my voice is getting down. I need some water. And before we make another break, right? We didn't make to the next section. Oh my gosh, we just added this part here and we added those arrows in 20 minutes. Jesus, we have to be more efficient. I have to be more efficient, sorry, maybe you are. Before I go, I just wanted to give one thing, because probably I forgot to do it. I don't know why. I do it in every project. I go to global styles and I add here something like this. So why I do it? I do it to make it more visual. So you can find it easily on a page without going to inspector. G for global, save and close, and look here. Interesting, right? So we put it down. Oh yeah, okay, let's move it. 3 rem. Now we do like in the middle, and we want to add some like black color. And I want to add background color, something super visible, and right. It's all good now. Oh, hey, I have typo here. Good, now we should see G. G for global. And let's just make this letter a bit bigger. It is for us. This is not for a client to see. And that's why we take this global style now. We have it. So what it does, like, it doesn't matter where you are on the page. You just click this. And also, like, remember to put the Z index higher. So you click it and you can already edit it. So you don't need, you know, to click a lot or go to inspector to find it. You can just click it and get access to your embed code. And to hide it for the client, we go to Candy's custom code, and I add style, and up class display none. Good, display none. Ooh, let's publish. Actually, we didn't publish at all, so why not to publish now and see how it works? You see this G? Good. Now we go to publish the website for the first time. Exciting moment. No G. It's hidden. And yeah, I like it. Good. Looking good. Logos are moving. It can be destructive for someone, but anyway, let's get them moving. In the next 20 minutes, we try to style this section. I keep saying this because I hope that in next 20 minutes we do the rest, but you know, it's never gonna happen because you have this and that, and it's like, and we're experimenting a lot. Good. So take a break and do 20 push-ups. Then make a maybe 1 minute break and do 20 push-ups again, and you back here and we continue building this beautiful website.